If you use the same password for everything, or your heart sinks every time a website asks you to make a new one, or you've been confused by those codes that get texted to you, take a breath. None of this is as hard as it feels, and by the end, you'll handle all of it with confidence. Let's take the fear out of passwords. First, here's the only real danger, so you understand why this matters. Using one password for everything is like having one key that opens every door you own. Your front door, your car, your safe deposit box, all the same key. If a thief gets that one key just once, they're into everything. That's the whole risk. So the goal is simple. Don't hand out one key to your whole life. Now the fix, and it's easier than what you're probably doing now. Instead of a short, tricky password full of symbols you'll never remember, use a passphrase. Just 3 random words strung together. Something like river, candle, walnut. It's long, which is what actually makes it strong, and it's easy for you to remember and nearly impossible for anyone to guess. Pick a few of these for your most important accounts. For me, I smashed together in some specific ways a serial name, a combination of wacky numbers, and a few memorable special characters. Next, let your phone do the remembering. This is the part that takes all the pressure off. Your phone has a built-in keeper for passwords. When you sign in somewhere new, it will ask, "Would you like to save this password?" Say yes. From then on, it fills it in for you. You don't have to memorize dozens of them. You only need the few that protect your phone itself and your email. And now, that code they text you. This is the one that confuses people, so listen close because it's good news. When a website texts you a short code to type in, that is not a hassle and it is not a trick, it's a second lock on your door. Even if someone somehow had your password, they can't get in without that code sitting on your phone. So turn it on where you can, but here is the one thing to remember, and it ties right back to spotting scams. If a code arrives right after you signed in yourself, it's real. Go ahead and use it. But if a code shows up when you did not just log in, do not share it with anyone. That means someone else is trying your door, and that code is the only thing stopping them. No real company will ever call and ask you to read it out loud. So that's the whole thing. A passphrase you can actually remember. A phone that does the remembering for you. And a texted code that works like a second lock. Do that, and you're already safer online than most people. So do me a favor. If you know someone still using one password for everything, send them this video. A few minutes today saves a world of trouble later. That's what this channel is for. I'll see you next time.